Praise be to the name of our Lord Jesus. Let's clap our hands to Jesus. They clap for power. Clap and say, God, take the glory. Give the glory and honor to God. The last time we met, or I saw Pastor Augustine Iga, eye on eye, and we greeted each other. It was in Bath Valley. There is a time that a revival band had to put there a show. I think so. I used to use that place as a prayer ground. We met as I was going upstairs and he was going downstairs. He shook my hand and I also had to hold his hand. We hugged each other. I posed a question that, are you still saved? And he told me, yes, I do. Because I used to be with him and we preached the gospel. We came from afar. But
it wasn't a business. So it
There Pastor Augustine came and made a church in Kawala. And I've come to encourage you. The third category that I've come in. I was requesting for you to allow. I've come with 2 million to help in this occasion. I am not going to say sorry. But I'm going to say, praise be to the name of the Lord.
It is the way to all of us.
That
if you need any spiritual support, any physical support, any comfort when you feel attacked, please, we are not all dead. Come for that.
And I want to tell you that Pastor Bujingo was a friend to Pastor Iga. But though House of Prayer Ministries will always be one pastor, the revival Christian church. So welcome you. And I think you are going to welcome us. So I pray that may God bless us in everything we're going to do. So may God bless you.